Okay, so I have to be honest. When we set out to cut the kids' hair today, I 100% felt confident that everything would go well. But
original Batman. Good
morning. Good morning. How are you guys? First of all, I just want to say a huge thank you to everybody that reached out to us. Last week, I had put up on my Instagram that I was taking a break because there was an emergency family situation where thankfully out of the emergency phase, but not fully recovered. The emergency was with a very close family member, although not either of us four, is with a close family member. So I'm really grateful to everybody that reached out. I'll keep you guys updated. Thanks so much for all of the prayers and the well wishes.
What does the barber do?
Baba fixes our hair.
The barber fixes our hair?
Yeah.
Really? Yeah. And do you think it's time for you and Noah's hair to be fixed?
Yeah.
Right, well look at this. Look at this. Noah. No. Silly goose.
You're so
Look at this lion mane here.
Yeah, so we've never cut Noah's hair since he was born, and I'm going to attempt it today.
Noah.
Noah, you're going to be cutting your hair today. No. Well, seeing as you've already helped us, if you guys were on my Insta story, I showed when Noah used his arts and crafts scissors and chopped off the front of his hair. So the back is a lot longer than the front. But anyway, he's 2 years and we've never cut his hair, so I will be attempting that today.
No, Papa, do I smile for the camera?
Hello.
Oh, no.
Do you get it?
No.
Oh.
Let me show. Let me stay.
Finger raus, wenn you're with Papa. You, some sucker. Some sucker. Finger raus. Again, when you're with Papa, finger raus. No thumb. No thumb when you're with Papa's arm. No thumb when you're on Papa's arm. Ticklish? Are you ticklish? Huh? You. Are you ticklish? No finger in the mouth.
Kiki, can you show us all the pictures you've been taking on your camera? Can we see what you've been taking? Wow, these are very cool pictures. Wow, who's that?
Noah.
Is that Noah? By the way, speaking of thumb sucking, thanks so much for all of the recommendations in the last video. I think the majority of you went for aloe vera. Did you see all those comments? Yeah. A lot of people said try aloe vera on his thumb and it's gonna be so bitter and he's gonna stop sucking. So we've not actually gotten around to trying it, but I didn't actually know that aloe vera was an option. So thank you so much for that insight. We're gonna head down now because Mama is gonna serve as the barber today. I hope I do a good job. But then if I don't do a good job, it's not like we're going anywhere, so yeah. Okay guys, let's go cut.
Okay, let's go. Barber time.
Woo!
Lie down. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I'm the tickle monster. I'm the tickly monster.
Me, I never back down, stop. Then my mama got.
I have my tools: spray bottle, diamond brush, medium-sized brush, and another brush. I have never attempted to cut any of these boys' hair before. Now is my first time.
Can I help that?
Okay, I'll give it to you in a second. Hold on, I'm just gonna. Noah? Noah, how do you feel about this? Good? Oh wow, okay. That's great. Okay, so we just It's wet. Okay. Kian, you can hold that. Okay, I'm just gonna attempt to detangle it a little bit.
Kian, are you getting ready?
Yeah. I'm getting ready.
Okay, so you guys remember on Instagram when Noah chopped his front hair. So this is the size of the front hair. And then the back. Turn around. Turn the back. That's
No.
It's the length of the back.
Not Kinu.
What? Are you ready to cut your hair?
No.
No?
No.
Just a little bit. My plan is to level up the entire hair and then cut it with the. So we're gonna start.
Because I don't think you've ever cut anybody's hair. Right?
Yeah, but I'm very confident. That's what matters.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna.
Akinu.
What?
Akinu.
What's a kino?
Akinu brush our hair.
So we've gotten the bribe because otherwise it's just not gonna work. There you go. That's all your biscuit. No. Yeah, and if you ever wondered what it was like to cut a toddler's hair, there you have it. Okay, you want to sit down now? Are you ready to cut your hair, Noah? Yeah? Okay, let's start with the back.
Fire can cool me up blazing. Me I be the one that bless me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Bad man, me I no say.
Oh my god, it's a lot.
Mama. Oh. My baby.
Your hair?
No, not this.
The brush?
No, what is it?
What is this?
Yeah.
That's your hair, Noah. I actually thought it was gonna feel very emotional, like I felt with Kian, but I actually don't feel emotional.
You're doing well.
I feel like it needs to go. It needs to go.
Well.
Oh.
Sorry.
Yours.
Sorry.
Yours. What are you doing?
What am I doing?
Yeah.
I'm cutting your hair, Noah.
Got your hair?
Yes.
Another one? Okay.
And a bad man they feel alright. There you go.
Hey, Noah.
Me a blazing. Me I be the one that bless me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Bad man, me I no say me a better than them. Them a call me yard, me a better than all. Bad man, me I never back.
I'm finished.
Are you finished?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Tell them okay, what I done, me I done. Tell them let them.
No. No, you want a haircut. No, why you like a monster when you had that haircut.
You just say that. You just say that.
Tell them, come in on me yard, me not fear them. Bad man they talk, me not hear them. Bad man they talk, me I tear them. Certain things them are moving right.
Guys, look, in the middle of cutting Kian's hair, he picked up the scissors and he's... Look.
Kian, what did you do to your hair?
What did you do, Kian?
I cut my hair.
You cut it yourself?
Yeah.
Look,
Uh-oh.
look, it's all gone.
And now that means we have to change our style now.
Our style, we have to cut everything.
Is this your way of forcing a particular hairstyle, Kian?
Yeah.
Were you trying to look more like Daddy?
Yeah.
Were you trying to look like Papa?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
My feet.
Bagger come can't taste me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Bad man, me I know say me a better than them. Them a call me yard, me a better than all. Bad man, me a
Okay, so I have to be honest, when we set out to cut the kids' hair today, I 100% felt confident that everything would go well, but it didn't, because it started off with Kian getting a hold of his scissors when we were distracted and chopping really, really low into his hair. And then I thought, well, I'm going to then, you know, get the clipper and make it all even, and accidentally I obviously went for the lowest one. That made it worse, so we're now having to make the painful decision of shaving off his entire hair. Literally, we're shaving off his entire hair.
Okay, Kian, we're almost there. You're looking actually really good, Kian.
David, are you upset?
I'm not upset. Well, come on, it's just your hair. Not upset. No, it was unplanned, let's say.
Yeah, I'm so sorry.
Not upset.
I'm so sorry. And of course we had to shave it really low because his core patterns are going in opposite directions, so we literally have no other choice than to cut it this low.
Yeah, it'll be fine. Maybe it will end up being a good thing, you know, so his hair gets a chance to like grow
properly,
you know,
right?
properly now, fresh almost, so who knows. I gotta clean this up here. Wait, Kian. Kian?
Yeah.
Do you know that you almost look like Papa now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is that cool?
Yeah.
It's gonna be so easy to wash your hair now. Do you know that? So cool.
That's Noah's one. Oh my gosh.
There you go. Hello, Mama.
Thank you.
To the shower
Noah,
now,
turn
yeah?
around.
Why?
To brush off all the hair that you have.
Turn around and raise your head up. This is what Noah's
Now in the front,
haircut
turn to
looks
me a
like.
little bit, Kian. This way. And then I think we're done. Almost. Turn around. Oh, Kian, he's so cute.
He's actually so cute. Even though he looks like a monk, he's still very
Actually, you know what,
cute.
Kian? That's a good idea. Hold on, Kian.
And a bad man, they feel alright.
Oh!
You're like a proper big boy now, Kiki.
No.
Papa,
Yeah.
I like that.
You like it?
Yeah.
You look so good.
Thank you. I'm not like.
Let me see.
Papa,
Yes, sweetheart.
I almost like you, Papa.
You're almost like me. Let's have a look. Let's see. Let's look in the mirror. You're almost like me.
You like mine?
It's so beautiful. It's very beautiful.
But you put your own one.
Now, let's go shower. Okay, we need to get rid of all the hair.
Where you are?
Tracking me down, I held them. Bad man endure me, I vex them. They don't understand me, I see them. Anywhere they stand me, I tear them. Low, I held them. Coming on me yard, me not fear them. Bad man they talk, me not hear them. Bad man they talk, me I tear them. Certain them are moving right.
I love you guys. And my handy dirty.
Oh no! Very nice. So we're getting pretty much already used to the new haircut actually. How do you feel, Kim?
I'm good.
Yeah?
And where are you?
They are behind the screen. They're watching us right now. Right now, they're watching you.
Why?
Why? I don't know. Why are you watching us?
No, but we talked to Papa yesterday.
True, yeah. So after the barber in the morning, we had a shower. All of us obviously get the hair off. Yeah, had a bit of playtime after that. But I have to say, we're really getting used to it already. I mean, both of them. Noah obviously isn't as much of a change. But even with Kian, I mean, it almost looks normal already. And I guess, in as much as we weren't going for that kind of haircut in the first place, Nice. So maybe sometimes you have to be forced to try new things, and maybe it will turn out for the better, right? But actually, yeah, it's growing on me. I have to say, it's really growing on me. Actually, Keen is hilarious. When we were outside for a bit, came in again, and he looked in the mirror, was like, "Oh, my haircut!" You know, he almost like he forgot about it. So it'll probably take a bit of time for him to get used to it.
I love you guys.
Do you like your hair, Noah?
And the doggy.
And do you like your hair?
Yeah.
Can you show us your new hair? Nice. Is that your new hair, Noah? Nice. And do you like it?
Yeah.